Hello, it's Lee here from Webber's Estate Agents. Now I'm at 10 Greenclose Road in Ilfracombe. It's a fabulous 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, terraced Victorian family home, which is far more than first meets the eye from the outside. There's an abundance of space and versatility here, and the house is packed full of original Victorian features, much like this lovely fireplace that I'm sat next to now. Now the property is very conveniently located, just metres from the high street, a short stroll from the seafront and close to other local amenities, including the beaches and the fabulous Torrs Walk. So take a look around now. So here we are, we're inside the property now, and the first thing that hits you is this magnificent original Victorian mosaic tiled floor which runs through from the lobby through to the entrance hall, past the 2 reception rooms on the left here, and on towards the kitchen. You've also got this really lovely staircase that climbs up over the 2 floors above here. So it's a really lovely sort of stripped spindle balustrade there. So a proper nod to the era of the property there. And as we go around, you'll see that this property is absolutely packed full of period features, which makes it really lovely. Now the main lounge is in here, and this is an impressive room, very much so. And again, a lot of attractive Victorian period features. You've got the bay window there at the front, and then when I look up towards the ceiling, you've got the central light rows, you've got the coving around, and then of course you've got this lovely feature fireplace here with the 2 arched alcoves either side. So it provides a nice focal point to the room. As I pan around here, you'll see there's plenty of room for lots of furniture. You've got big sofas here, and you've got your coffee table, of course, TV in the corner, and it's nice high ceilings, which adds to that feeling of space. Again, a feature of the property as we go around are the big high ceilings. Nice stripped panelled door there as well. So that's the lounge, and then moving up through, again past this lovely floor, bit of storage under the stairs, which is very handy for everyday essentials. Kitchen I'll show you in a second. We've got the second reception room here, which is a dining space. And as you can see, there's plenty of room around that table, 8 persons. And then you've got some fitted cupboards either side of that built-in bookshelf there. So this is a nice room. And the other nice feature here is you've got sort of the seamless connection indoor to outdoor living through those big double doors there. So those double doors throw back, and you can get out into the courtyard garden. I'll show you more of the courtyard garden later. But that's a nice feature to have those doors there, just so you can, if you're entertaining or having an alfresco meal or a barbecue or something, it's nice to be able to come in and out quite easily. Kitchen in here is a good size, tiled floor up through, plenty of storage as you'll see, room for your big fridge freezer. Got your range style cooker and extractor canopy over there. And then we've got this sort of deep glazed butler style sort of sink, plumbing for a dishwasher. And you've got another door that goes out onto the courtyard garden as well. So again, convenient access. And then around here, for full convenience, we have a ground floor toilet. So it saves you having to run up and down the stairs if you're caught short. So just give you the aspect from here. That's the ground floor accommodation. We'll now head upstairs to the bedrooms. Just climbing the final couple of stairs then up to the first floor landing. Now this is like a split level landing. You've got the main sort of front part of the landing there, which goes to the 2 bedrooms on this floor. And then you've got a smaller landing at the rear here, which goes towards the toilet and the bathroom. So I'm going to do the toilet and the bathroom first. Toilet's on the left. On the right here, we've got this decent cupboard. Now this is more than just a cupboard, because when you open it up, you'll see there's plumbing for the washing machine in there, and also space for the tumble dryer. So it's like a utility cupboard, which is really handy because that keeps it all out of the way of the kitchen and makes it, just keeps it, as I say, separate, and makes it more practical. Now, this is a lovely room. It's a lovely spacious room, as you'll see, and as a nod to the Victorian era again, we've got this nice rolled top bath positioned in the centre of the room here. And then as I come in and around the corner, we've got the toilet. There's a cupboard there in the corner which houses the boiler and the hot water tank for the heating and the hot water. And then around this corner, we've got a hand basin, heated towel rail, and a separate walk-in shower cubicle. So you've got all the mod cons here to suit the family needs. And then you probably noticed on the video already this abundance of storage down the side here as well. So 2 big cupboards there, just perfect for linen and all sorts of storage, whatever it is you need. We have a separate toilet, which sits in here. So just toilet and hand basin in there. So moving on up towards the bedrooms, we cross onto this really nice landing, and just give you a quick shot around here because this is quite an attractive view. The spindle staircase that I mentioned downstairs continues up to the second floor. 2 bedrooms on this floor, as I say, both double sizes. This is the second bedroom. Plenty of room in here for all of your furniture, as you see. And again, the period features continue with this lovely old fireplace, which is quite cute. And then you've got a built-in cupboard just adjacent to it. Spinning around just to give you the aspect from this side. This bedroom's at the rear of the building. And our main bedroom is at the front of the building. Now, I really love this room. It's a lovely light-filled space, this. And again, you've got the period features with the cove ceiling. You've got the nice bay window, and there's a padded window seat in there as well. So this is a nice place to sort of come and relax of an evening or whatever. And you'll notice these nice sort of stripped painted floorboards. So again, very much in keeping with the theme of the property and that Victorian era. Just looking out the window here, up and down the road, very similar to Victorian houses in Greenclose Road. Very handy for everything, very close to the high street, very close to the seafront, and lots of amenities. Now this room's got its own ensuite shower room. Again, the flooring continues here, so toilet, hand basin, separate walk-in shower cubicle, and then we've got a heated towel rail and more storage. One thing that this house is not short of is storage. Plenty of cupboards and things fitted in, so it's very practical. And obviously with a large sized family home, you need the practicalities of storage and those sorts of things. So that's the first floor. We're going to head up those stairs now to the second floor. So here we are, we're just on the final floor now, just on the approach to the final floor. You've got the lovely spindle balustrade there again, and a few steps up to the second floor landing. Now, more storage on the left-hand side here. You've got the little window there. It's like a walk-in storage cupboard, so very, very useful. Loft hatch here for the main roof space, and actually there was a loft hatch to the secondary rear roof space down on the floor below as well. So you've got plenty of storage up in the roof if you need it. 3 bedrooms here, 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to go in this one first. And this one's very reminiscent of almost a boutique hotel. I don't really like that phrase, but it sort of quite aptly describes this room because you've got this sort of ensuite area sort of within the room. So you've got this screen just to give you a bit more privacy. But you've also got shower, toilet, hand basin here. There's a tiled floor here just for practicality around the wet area. But still a lovely double-sized bed space here. And again, you're at the rear of the building looking out into your courtyard. Now, if you had teenage children, for example, this would be a great space for them. They've got their own private area, their own private bathroom, and they're not going to interfere with the rest of the family too much. Now, the house is perfect for the family market, as we've said, and with all these extra facilities, it really just helps to emphasize that. So that's bedroom 3. Bedroom 4 is here. Again, nice and light filled at the front here. First thing your eye's drawn to is that cute little fireplace. So ornamental, of course, but it's a feature and very much a nod to that Victorian era. Twin beds in here, so plenty of space. We've got stripped floorboards. And because we're up on the top floor now, we do get a little bit of a view towards the hillsides there. You've got the Torrs just up over, which is quite nice, a little cupboard in the corner. And we've got one final room to show you. Slightly more cosy room, but equally still a good sized. You could get a double bed in here if you really wanted to, but it's done out as a single. Plenty of room for furniture, of course, where the chair is. And, this would make a nice little home office, for example. If you live and work from home, it's a good size, plenty of room for a desk and all of those sorts of things in here. So, the space is practical and versatile to suit the needs of the occupant. So that concludes our internal tour of 10 Greenclose Road. We'll now head out into the rear courtyard. Here we go then, last part of the tour. There are 2 ways out into the rear courtyard. That's the door from the kitchen. And as I spin around here, you've got those lovely big double doors that come out from the dining room that I showed you earlier. You've got a bit of a store shed there, again more storage, very practical for the family home. And then you've got this nice sort of L-shaped, rather large but very private enclosed courtyard garden. So if you had younger children out here, it's perfectly safe because it's enclosed. It's a great space for an alfresco meal, a barbecue. There's the barbecue, look. There's an outdoor power point on the wall there as well. So if you are out here and you need to plug in one of your gadgets, charge your phone, whatever it is you need to do, it's possible. Flower bed borders surround just to give a bit of greenery, and then you've got a large tree in behind as well. Little raised deck sitting area here, so sunbathing, just sitting and relaxing, whatever it is you want to do, it's a good space to come and enjoy. So one final look around the corner back towards the house, and that will conclude our tour of 10 Greenclose Road. So there we are, that is 10 Greenclose Road, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, this really is a fabulous family home with lovely versatile accommodation and of course those charming Victorian period features. So to come and view this property physically, please do call us on 01 271 863 091. Many thanks.